coconut milk at saka rock sugar.
Ay,
Is the almacén. The almacén is a Spanish word for shop. We sell all of these antiques and then
side.
Good morning. So, welcome po. By the way, this area is called Caida or Fallen. So, dito yan. Sa yung living room. And this is the biggest part of this house dito. The ceiling is not original. That's bamboo weaving po. But the floor po still original po. The dark color kanagong and the light color mulabi. So, ito naman yung table. It's made of Nara. So, this is the 100-year-old na po. And this is the pottery, galing po yan ng Carles Iloilo, Isla Gigantes, 8 to 9th century collection. So this house is never pong inabandoned, that's why nagtagal ito ng 161. And meron kayong gamit na makikitang bago, kasi nga hanggang yung or family altars, dito po sila nag-endural services po. Senior Santo Niño po, it's a 161-year-old Santo Niño old as the house. Kasi po, given by 2024 po. So, yan po ay binigay ng 2024. Ito pong official marker nila given by December 23, 2015. Yun po yung Abansenia, Kanya Balayang nga Bato. Abansenia kasi yung unang generation. Ito po ay American Kanya. So, ngayon, ginagamit ito po.